to give a nice little hearty welcome. Amaziyah the Great. Make some noise to Amaziyah the Great. Respect. You're gonna play low. Good night, people. This is Amaziyah the Great from Spanish Town, Jamaica. And my style is more like spoken words. So I'm gonna do some poems for you. Like a toddler crying for mom's breast milk, I saw tears raced on her bony face. She was pensive and motionless, like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence, screaming out, "I'm such a big disgrace." I quickly interjected, "Honey, what's wrong?" And she yelled, "Get the hell out of my space. All you men are just the same. Cheat lies who will take love for a game. Hate men forever, should have killed Trevor. Put a bullet in his brain. Baby, your take this too far. Are you drunk or insane? Pray, you're not gonna understand me, you can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9. It really shattered my mind. A decade after, I tried to move on to get myself back in line. Few months after, she was impregnated by a comforting pastor. Threatened to do an abortion, or else her life would be disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She says she still hates men, her heart is no cold. I offered a hug, she squeezed me tightly, saying thank you, Mr. Kirkland, for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV, the bitterness? I'm gonna do another one. It's called My Name is Pam. Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully, plus he's so selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, "Hey, if you believe, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who makes you, I'm gonna break you. Go on if you wanna try." The nosy neighbor from next door shouted, "Somebody call police." She was by her usual spot at the zinc fence where she peeped. Mira was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post, then suddenly start recording and virally shared it most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day, but Roy was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed having sex with boots, no protection. A few months later, she was pregnant. Now baby father was around. Her mind went googling, but Dick was never found. Billy Charlotte took her up and offered her to be his bride. He was more than delighted and promised never to leave his side. He thought he was the baby's father. Happiness displayed evidently in his eyes. Billy felt silly when he found out it wasn't so, later committed suicide. Pam never had good education, she sold back juice to make ends meet. 3 months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the streets. Life journey got intricate, she prayed and said, "Oh God, I can't take no more." A year after she bought a car, some people call her bored. She later furthered her education, cause she knew she wanted to soar. Now can you guess and tell me who is that janitor at her cell-phone clothing store? Precisely, we say no to domestic violence. Stop abusing our women and treat them like they're queens. Treat them special. Amaziyah the Great from Spanish Town, Jamaica. Tell them precisely. I'm gonna do another one called Respect. So you just no rhythm on this one. A few years ago, back in Jamaica, a lot of persons were bashing athletes like Usain Bolt and Elaine Thompson, because in London, Usain came third, and a lot of people that bash him and seems to forgetting that this man is a great legend. Then they were still bashing Elaine Thompson. And right now, it's sport moment in Tokyo. So give it up and big respect to the athletes. This poem is called Respect. You saying both got prawns in London and some are saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race, bully by negative remarks, yell out. One who expects sure respect because history was created. America bow down to a legend, honor greatly appreciated. Hey, not just locally but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep your negative remarks to yourself, don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. You see, the problem I encountered every day with my own race. But mine and envy smiling at my own face. Sneakily, creepily want to take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance from face. Lovers gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, mind shoveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even have sex with me, vex with me. Says she want time alone space. My child to get her attention, focus on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate, but display more hate. Anger escalate, too much alarm and crime rates. Your moral slowly deteriorates, and that concerns me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? And social media is like cancer, feeding on your souls, implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourself. Remember you're not alone. So what one, can I get some love now? Oh, sorry, I guess you love your phones. Most of us don't understand how essential life is. We still gonna waste time and know what time really is. If only we understood how powerful the mind is. Perhaps you comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey say unite, so why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hates? Can religion and politician make my people elevate? Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired for see me face. Respect, tell them precisely. Just play some vibes, make me just do one more chakra and cut. Respect and thanks. Say that again. Yes, give thanks. Start with more vibes, yeah? Ready type of vibe. Yeah, one drop. Yeah. See a peculiar look in my eyes. Precisely. See a peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in the corner, cry. See a peculiar look, you're wondering why. And nothing no one, no matter how much shy. See a peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in the corner, cry. See a peculiar look, you're wondering why. And nothing no one, no matter how much shy. When I'm gonna tell me gamble, you're gonna tell me it's your dice. All you got me head up, body suffer up, poor life. No food, see I'm close. Maybe not get 4 nights. Mama, she a ball. I know she gets more rice. And in the depths, I'm a trouble, so I'm telling me no price. Hear me so very rich, pushing things and close rice. And here, my people, this is a more life. And here, I teach that you can pick your right. See a peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in a corner, cry. See a peculiar look, you're wondering why. I don't know what I'm at, how me try. See a peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in a corner, cry. See a peculiar look, you're wondering why. I don't know what I'm at, how me try. Honey, I've been hearing your shoes like this. Can't find the first time for the food priceless. More than price for them the moves like this. If I would exclude prices. I'm like Marcus, the prophet champion shoes like this. I'm inferior, superior them I move like bitch. And crime on escalates and then I shoot like this. All the grace out, it feels like this. See the cute look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in a corner, cry. See the cute look, you're wondering why. I know the love one, no matter how much shy. See the cute look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in a corner, cry. See the cute look, you're wondering why. I know the love one, no matter how much shy. Me ball out, me help, I can't get a sponsor. See the cute look, make me keep up on a wonder. When me you go do now, but stop the answer. Should I rob, kill or go sell some ganja? Rocky on the road, some of me have a shot. Got the protection, me I beg you, oh God. Tempted violence, a lot of things we bad. I really don't want nobody else be started. See if the cute look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in the corner. Times in life you do something stupid. Nobody thinks that you are the first. And there are times in life when I make mistakes. Nobody feel like you are the first. Tom, when you did make some money, I'm gonna tell you say emerge from bed. Separation starts, see it now work again. The girl left you and gone, oh my gosh, she's hurt my friend. I water in the eyes, my sister it really hurt my friend. Some girls out the road still gonna call it jerk again. It's up to you, king, if you really want to go to church, my friend. But see the guns and load them out, you know when you're sad, them burst again. Learn from a mistake, God, you still not the worst, my friend. There are times in life, you do something stupid, but just remember, say you're not the first. The other day, this girl jumped out to school and for real, and vexed for that. And then by her side, I hear some progressive chat. It's a girl, time to get serious, get involved in some successful acts. Few months time she read to rat into and sex to that. She don't know the people fall end up and have to be a guest for that. Her mother kick her out of the house and say, go look somewhere else for catch. She tell me she want that she belly, say, no, you John are blessed for that. You have life, have hope, see success and stretch to that. It was a pleasure being here. Give thanks, love, respect.